Hello all. My name is Mrs.Manasi Hande, Assistant Professor in the Department of Information Technology from Changu Kana Thakur Arts, Commerce and Science College, New Panvel. Today I am going to introduce an important concept in computer science called Database Management System, commonly known as DBMS. This topic is fundamental for understanding how data is organized, stored, and managed in modern applications such as banking systems, e commerce platforms, universities, and many more. In this session, we will understand what database is, what DBMS means, advantages and disadvantages of DBMS. First, let us understand what a database is. A database is an organized collection of structured data that is stored electronically in a computer system. Instead of storing information randomly, a database organizes data in a structured format so that it can be easily accessed, managed, and updated. Now, the question is, why do we need a database? If we store the data without proper organization, several problems may arise, such as large size of data, lack of accuracy, security issues, data redundancy or duplication, overwrite of important information. Therefore, databases help manage large amounts of data efficiently and systematically. Databases are used almost everywhere in our daily life. Some common examples include students' records stored in a university management system, customer information in online shopping website, employee details in a company management systems, book catalogs in library systems. In all these systems, large volumes of data need to be stored, retrieved, and updated regularly. This is where databases play a crucial role. Now, let us understand what a database management system is. A DBMS is a software that allows users to create, store, manage, and interact with databases. In simple terms, it acts as an interface between the database and the user or applications that need to access data. Instead of directly manipulating data files, users interact with DBMS, which handles tasks such as data storage, data retrieval, data security, data management. The examples of DBMS include MySQL, Oracle SQL Server, and Postgres, and many more. The objectives of DBMS are: first, to provide an efficient and convenient environment for storing and retrieving the data. Second, to manage users and control their access to the database. This ensures that data remains organized, only authorized users can access specific data, and the systems operates smoothly even when multiple users interact with it simultaneously. Now let us understand the advantages of DBMS. One of the biggest advantage of DBMS is reduced data redundancy. Data redundancy means unnecessary duplication of data. A DBMS minimizes this duplication by maintaining a centralized database, which helps save a storage, maintains consistency of data, reduce extra processing time. Next is a elimination of inconsistencies. When duplicate data exists in multiple places, updating one record may not update others, leading to inconsistent information. DBMS helps avoid such problems. DBMS also provides data security through authentication and authorization mechanisms. It ensures that only authorized users can access sensitive information. This is especially important in systems like banking, healthcare, and government databases. DBMS also ensures data integrity, which means maintaining the accuracy and consistency of data. Validation rules and constraints are used to ensure that data entered in the correct format, values fall within the allowed range. Another advantage is data sharing. Multiple authorized users can access and modify data simultaneously without conflicts. This is very useful in organizations where many departments work with the same data. DBMS also provides backup and recovery mechanisms. Automatic backup systems help protect data from loss caused by system failures, hardware issues, or accidental deletion. Another important feature is data independence. This means that the structure of database can be modified without affecting the application programs that use the data. This flexibility makes database management systems easier to maintain and update. Data independence is generally classified in two types. First is physical data independence. This refers to the ability to change the physical storage of data, such as file structures or indexing, without affecting the logical structures of the database. Second is a logical data independence. This refers to the ability to modify the logical structure of the database, such as tables or relationships, without affecting the user interface or application programs. These features make DBMS highly flexible and adaptable. Now let us understand the disadvantages of a DBMS. Although DBMS provides many advantages, it also has some disadvantages. First is the cost. Setting up a DBMS requires expensive hardware, software license, and skilled personnel such as a database administrators. Another issue is the security and privacy risks. Since data is centralized, it can become an attractive target for cyber attacks if proper security measures are not implemented. Next is single point failure. If the central database system fails, the proper backup mechanisms are not in place, the entire system may stop functioning. Therefore, organizations must implement strong backup, redundancy, and disaster recovery strategies. Thank you.